Hello creators, it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations, and today we have a special episode because we're going to put together the January 2019 Paper Pumpkin Be Mine Valentine. The only supplies that you need to put this together are some snips, possibly, maybe a little bit of adhesive from Snail, but everything else besides your acrylic block should already be in the kit. So, this month's theme is Animal Expedition. The items in this kit coordinate perfectly with the Animal Expedition suite in the annual catalog. We have Melon Mambo ink, which is a gorgeous bright color, and we have all these wonderful fun stamps. I don't have the Animal Expedition stamp set, but I bet it would be super cute with these stamps. Opening up the kit for the first time, I see that we do have some pillow boxes, and they are super adorable. I really love pillow boxes because it's a nice way to transport small treats and goodies to hand out to those that are close to you. And even if they're not close to you, you can make some friends, and I'm sure that they would appreciate a nice treat. So digging into the kit, we have these two different color pillow boxes that are double-sided. So you can make all pink, all blue, or a mixture of both if you'd like. We also have some really cute heart cutouts that are scalloped, and we have the fun animal cutouts. I love that these are all ready to go for us. All we have to do is pop them out and glue them on. We also have some scalloped circle cutouts here, and we have a few Whisper White banner pieces that we can stamp on. And finally, we have our instruction sheet right here. Step 1 is to stamp on our labels, and I'm going to use my old style classic Stampin' pad in the same color, Melon Mambo, just because I like to save the small Stampin' spots that I get. So I'm going to open up my old style classic Stampin' pad and pull in those Whisper White labels. And now it's time to stamp some sentiments onto our Whisper White banner pieces. You will need to make sure that you have a D-size acrylic block. This block is perfect for all Paper Pumpkin kits. Any stamps that you receive in the kit will fit on this D-size acrylic block. And now I'm just going to pop out a couple of those sentiments to use on our pillow boxes. And step 2 is to adhere the die cut animal to scallop piece using dimensionals. So I'm going to pop out one circle and one heart, as well as a kangaroo and the chameleons. This month's Paper Pumpkin kit came with lots of adhesive choices. It came with 2 sheets of Stampin' Dimensionals, a sheet of mini glue dots, and it came with 3M double-sided sticky tape, which is perfect for adhering those pillow boxes together. And now moving on to step 3, we're going to adhere the heart to the kangaroo and the stamped label to the scallop piece using adhesive dots. And just a tip, if you wanted to insert rather than adhere the cardstock heart to the kangaroo, you can cut the line on the kangaroo's pouch with a small utility knife. I did not do that in this example, but I did do it in the alternates video that we'll be posting shortly after this one. So be sure that you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that alternate video. Step 4 is to adhere the enamel hearts to the scalloped piece. So we got a sheet of enamel hearts in our kit, and it contains 2 different colors and 2 different sizes. I'm taking one of the small light pink hearts with one of the larger dark pink hearts and putting them onto the circle scallop with the kangaroo. And then I'm going to switch it up and use a large light heart and a small dark heart on the scalloped heart with the chameleons. Step 5 is to adhere our pillow boxes. So we got some 3M adhesive double-sided strips in this kit, and we're going to place the adhesive strip on the long side of the pillow box and assemble it. Now, because these are double-sided, you can put this adhesive on either side. It just depends on which color you want facing out. So you can see here that it takes a very light pressure to just bend those curved areas to crease the score lines. And this little tab is where we're going to be putting our adhesive strip. I really like how they included this adhesive strip on this sheet of plastic, because you can peel off the backing and then you can simply line it up and make sure that you rub it down, and you can peel the plastic sheet right off, and it leaves the adhesive on the cardstock. You can fold over the excess adhesive onto itself and then carefully fold the cardstock onto that flap, and it will seal together. All you have to do then is tuck in the rounded flaps. Now on the flaps, you want to make sure that you tuck in the side that has the notch cut out first, and then put the other side down. That's opposite from the way that I did it here. With the notch in first, that will help you to open it a lot easier. So I would recommend you put the notch down first and then the other side. And finally, step 6 is to fill your pillow box full of treats and adhere the embellished scallop label to the pillow box using dimensionals. So I have not yet filled my boxes with treats, but it doesn't matter, you can fill them afterwards. I'm putting the dimensionals on my kangaroo, and I'm putting them in a line just to make sure that it sticks really well and it doesn't wobble too much on my pillow box and make it warp. So I'm going to put it right in the middle, and these pillow boxes will be finished. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. You can follow me on the web at melissascreations.com and on Facebook at facebook.com/MKre8tions. I'm also on social media. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the handle at MKre8tions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye!